Today we'll discuss about heterocyclic chemistry part 8. What is pyridine? Pyridine is a basic heterocyclic organic compound with the chemical formula C5H5N. It is structurally related to benzene with one methane group replaced by a nitrogen atom. It occurs along with pyrrole in bone oil and in the light oil friction of coal tar. It can be isolated from the latter by excreting it with diluted sulfuric acid. It is a highly flammable, weakly alkaline, water miscible liquid with a disinfective, unpleasant fish-like smell. Pyridine is colorless, but older or impure sample can appear yellow. The pyridine ring occurs in many important compounds including agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals and vitamins. Historically, pyridine was produced from coal tar. Today it is synthesized on the scale of about 20,000 tons per year worldwide. Structure and aromaticity of pyridine. 2 sp2 orbitals on each atom overlap with each other to form the carbon-carbon and carbon-nitrogen sigma bonds. The third sp2 orbital on each carbon atom overlaps with an s orbital of hydrogen and forms carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds. The third sp2 orbital of nitrogen is occupied by the nitrogen lone pair of electrons. All sigma bonds in pyridine lie in one plane and all bond angles are approximately equal to 120 degree. Each ring atom possesses one unhybridized p orbital containing one electron and those are perpendicular to the planar containing the sigma bond. Overlap of these p orbitals produce delocalized pi molecular orbital containing 6 electrons. Pyridine shows aromatic properties because the resulting molecular orbital satisfies the Huckel rule. The nitrogen lone pair is not released into the aromatic system because it is perpendicular to the pi system. The nitrogen withdraws electrons by resonance, resulting in an electron deficient ring system. Some different representation model of pyridine. Elliptic structure of pyridine with aromaticity indicating by dashed bond. Numbered skeletal structure of pyridine, ball and stick model of pyridine molecule, space filling models of pyridine molecules, 3D model. Preparation and synthesis of pyridine. By passing a mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide through a red hot tube. Second is by dehydrogenation of piperidine with concentrated H2SO4 at 300 degrees Celsius or with nitrobenzene at 260 degrees Celsius. Next, by heating the hydrochloride of pentamethylene diamine and oxidizing the product piperidine with concentrated sulfuric acid at 300 degree Celsius. Next is ammonia react with 1,5-dicarbonyl compounds to give 1,4-dihydropyridine, which are easily dehydrogenated to pyridines. The reaction produced via loss of 2 molecules of water forms ethyl acetoacetate 2 moles with dichloromethane in presence of ammonia. Next is from 1,3-dicarbonyl compound and cyanoacetamide. Next, ammonia react with 1,5-dicarbonyl compounds to give 1,4-dihydropyridines, which are easily dehydrogenated to pyridine. Chemical reactions of pyridine. Basicity of pyridine. Pyridine has a base. It reacts with acids to form fairly stable salt. The reason for the basic character of pyridine is that the nitrogen lone pair being in sp2 hybrid orbital is not involved in the delocalized pi molecular orbital. It is readily available for the formation of a new para NH bond with proton. Pyridine is a stronger base than pyrrole, in which the basicity is reduced by delocalization of the nitrogen lone pair. Addition and ring opening reaction. The acid derivatives combine with the pyridine to give a quaternary salt, which have been isolated as acid chlorides. This salt react with hydroxyl group, yielding the acyl derivative. The liberated acid is taken up as the pyridine salt. Quaternary salt as are intermediately decomposed by water to pyridine. Hydrochloride and the organic acid but with ethyl cyanoacetate, the ring open yielding. The ring is comparatively easily opened by nucleophilic reagent. 2,4-dinitrophenyl pyridinium chloride is a colorless crystalline solid which is formed from pyridine and 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene at 100 degrees Celsius. This reaction is reversed at 200 degrees Celsius with water at 150 degrees Celsius, yield pyridine hydrochloride and 2,4-dinitrophenol, but with cold aqueous alkali, a deep red compound is formed, which on suppressive treatment with dilute aniline and acid yield 2,4-dinitroaniline and glucacoin aldehyde dienyl. Reduction reaction. Pyridine is easily reduced to hexahydropyridine or piperidine by a variety of methods, including hydrogen over nickel rubidium at 60 degrees Celsius, palladium charcoal with acetic acid. 1,4-dihydropyridine has, however, been obtained by the reduction of pyridine with trimethylene. The pyridine is clipped by ultrasonic wave, giving acetylene and hydrogen cyanide. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Toward electrophilic substitution, pyridine resembles a deactivated benzene derivative. It is often compared to nitrobenzene in reactivity. When the reaction takes place, the attack at beta position can be understood in terms of the resonance from form shown above, in which and position have a positive charge. This orientation can be understood also by comparison of the intermediate resulting from attack at various positions. 3 reasons resonance can be written for each intermediate, but one of these in the case of attack at the alpha leaves positive charge on nitrogen. This must be regarded as an unfavorable structure as compared to one in which carbon has a positive charge. For nitrogen, more electronegative than carbon. Nucleophilic substitution in pyridine. The reactivity of pyridine toward nucleophilic substitution is so greater, even the powerfully basic hydride ion H can be displaced. 2 important examples of this reaction are amination by sodium amide and alkylation by organothelium compounds. The attack takes place at alpha position because the positive charge arises in the alpha position. Reaction with N-butyl lithium. Pyridine react with N-butyl lithium at carbon 2 and gives 2N-butyl pyridine. Oxidation. Like benzene, pyridine is stable toward mild oxidizing agent. It does not react with chromic acid and nitric acid. However, it may be oxidized by peracetic acid to give pyridine an oxide. 2-alkyl pyridine easily oxidized. Medicinal uses of pyridine. Pyridine is used to dissolve other substances. It is also used to make many different products such as medicines, vitamins, food flavoring, paints, dyes, rubber products and insecticides. Thank you.